Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu Sq2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can press and hold the lower button to open the menu. After the menu opens, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the system option and tap on it. And here, find the time option and tap on it. And then find the option called time source. Select it, select the manual option. And once you change the time source to manual, you will see the time option right here. You can tap on it. And now we can adjust the time on our watch. You can change the hour by swiping up and down on the screen, then the minutes, and then the AM and PM. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And then you can press the lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.